draw a little sketch in this question. I think that's a good idea. And put the coordinates on. So we've got 2 minus 5, maybe down here. And then 3, 1. And we're told that this is actually the diameter of a circle. So like it's not going to be super accurate drawing, but that's not too bad. And then we're asked to determine the equation of this circle. So for the general equation of a circle, we've got x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. The center is going to be AB, and the radius is r. So what we need to do here is I'm going to first of all find the center, and it's going to be the midpoint of P and Q. The quickest way to find the midpoint is simply to add your x coordinates, divide by 2, and then add your y coordinates, and divide by 2. I'm not going to go into any details here on where that comes from, but it's an interesting exercise to try and show it. So that's going to give 5 over 2. I'm going to leave it as a fraction, I think. Of course, you've got your calculator to help if you want. And then this is going to become minus 2. Brilliant, that is our center. Okay, now I just need the radius. So what I'm going to do is work out the diameter first, and I can use Pythagoras' system for that. It's going to be the differences in the x's, it's x2 minus x1, then you square it. So in this case, I'm just going to go straight for it. It's going to be 1 squared. And the differences in the y's squared, y2 minus y1 all squared, which is going to be 6. Square root it, that's going to be the square root of 37, which means that r is going to be the square root of 37 over 2, and hence r squared is going to be 37 over 4. Right, we're ready to put this into our general equation. So x minus 5 over 2 squared plus y plus 2 all squared is going to equal this 37 over 4. We're asked to expand it, essentially, and then we're going to get all integers. Now, it doesn't look like we're going to get integers at the moment, but that's actually going to be a nice check that we've done it correctly. So this is a double bracket. I'm going to get x squared minus 5x when I do my cross multiplication, minus 5 over 2x, and another minus 5 over 2x, plus 25 over 4 when I do minus 5 over 2 times minus 5 over 2. Similar over here, this one's a bit quicker, so y squared plus 4y plus 4. And that's going to equal 37 over 4. Now I don't want to multiply through by 4 or anything because in the final answer we've just got x squared. So I'm going to hope that this cancels. I can write 4 as 16 over 4, which gives me 41 over 4. I will write that line out, I think. So x squared plus y squared. I'm just sort of slowly getting it into the right form. Minus 5x plus 4y. Then it's going to become plus 41 over 4 minus 37 over 4. I can do that step as well, equals 0. So I'm going to get 4 over 4 from this, which is just 1. And our final answer is x squared plus y squared minus 5x plus 4y plus 1 equals 0.